Hey, I just wanted to share with you something I found really helpful for grading short answer questions. It's an extension on Chrome called Auto Text Expander for Google Chrome. If I go in there, it actually lets me make rules as to if I type in a shortcut, it'll expand it into a some feedback. So like for me on my camis, I have stop and jots, and so I write this over and over and over on tons of stop and jots. You need to make sure to do every stop and jot. But instead, I just put in this shortcut slash jot, and then whenever I type slash jot anywhere in Google Chrome, it will replace it with this automatically. I also have some of my criteria for really good short answers, like using the question part of the question, the answer, and explaining your reasoning, giving text evidence, and I have shortcuts for those. So like on this answer, for example, I want to remind this teammate that they need to be explaining their reasoning. So I can just go in here and hit equal EX, equal EX, and it automatically fills in the full feedback. I have found this really helpful to save me a lot of time when I'm going through short answer questions because I can put in my criteria and just quickly fill in comments on a bunch of different student pages. So feel free to use that if it's helpful to you.